Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick curd at home. First, gather your ingredients, milk and an acid like lemon juice or vinegar. This method is incredibly straightforward, allowing you to create delicious, fresh curd in under 30 minutes. It's perfect for when you need curd quickly for cooking or a healthy snack. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can easily replicate this process in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy the satisfaction of homemade dairy. To begin, you will need 1 liter of whole milk. Whole milk works best for a richer, creamier curd, but 2% milk can also be used. Next, measure out 2 to 3 tablespoons of an acidic agent, such as fresh lemon juice or white vinegar. The exact amount may vary slightly depending on the milk. Also, make sure you have a fine mesh sieve and a piece of cheesecloth or a clean kitchen towel prepared for the straining process later on. These simple items are all you need. Now for the magic. Pour your 1 liter of milk into a heavy-bottomed pot and heat it over medium heat. Stir occasionally to prevent scorching. Once the milk reaches a gentle simmer, with small bubbles forming around the edges, remove it from the heat. Immediately, slowly pour in the 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar, stirring gently for about 30 seconds. Then, let the mixture sit undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes. You will see the milk begin to separate into solid curds and watery whey. Once the curds have fully separated, it's time to strain. Line a fine mesh sieve with a double layer of cheesecloth or a clean, thin kitchen towel and place it over a large bowl to catch the whey. Carefully pour the entire curdled mixture into the lined sieve. Let it drain for about 5 to 10 minutes or until your desired consistency is reached. The longer it drains, the thicker your curd will be. Your delicious, fresh, quick curd is now ready to enjoy. You can use it in savory dishes or sweet preparations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.